Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's summer 2025, a year on after we bought the Radley lawnmower, and it's mow time, it's mow season. Our grass has grown. This is going to be my first mowing of the season. It's not really gotten the time, and the weather has been really bad, so finally I have the chance to do so. So for today I'm going to start with trimming. I'll first trim the lawn today, and then tomorrow I'll come back and actually mow it. And I've seen some of you commented on our previous video asking, about the Radley mower, how good it is, and if it has lasted us or not. So this is going to be the second season we are using this mower. This is the trimmer right here. So I'll put it to a test once again, and we'll see how good it will work. We've not used it for a year now. For the battery, I actually stored the battery somewhere safe, not in a cooler environment. I stored it in a cabinet just so it doesn't get cold, right? So hopefully it works fine. I charged it this morning, so it has some power at the moment. This is the before video. Our grass or our lawn is pretty grown, so we'll try and do some justice to the surface, and tomorrow I'll come back and actually mow it with the mower. So this is an after video of trimming the lawn with the trimmer. and I'm going to mow it with the mower just to make it look nicer and also to go lower. So like I said before, this is our second season of using the Radley mower. Still working. The trimmer worked fine. Hopefully the mower is also going to work fine. So you guys should join me. I would put some snippets of myself mowing and we'll see how it goes.
So we were not able to take the after video once the mowing was done, and it literally rained the whole week after that. But there is a new video showing the before and after, so go watch, comment, like, share, and subscribe.